Hey, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to make a video on creaks and rattles coming from the interior of your S550 Mustang. So we're sitting inside my 2018 GT right now, and I recently had a bunch of suspension work done to it, coilovers, a bunch of STIDA, IRS stuff, and even before that, anytime you went down a real bumpy road, you could hear creaks and rattles coming from the interior. And it just got worse after all the suspension that I installed. So basically, what I'm going to do is attempt to fix that. I have fixed one source of the noise. I did this actually quite a long time ago, but it's the bezel around your instrument cluster. You can see right there where I folded up a piece of paper and shoved it in between there. That would really rattle whenever it was cold. But now with that paper shoved in there, it's quiet. But it seems like most of the sound comes from these door panels. And so I'm going to try and take them off and then see what I can do to try and fix the noises that I hear from them. So I'll get back with you guys once I get the door panel off and figure out what I'm going to do. So one thing I found on them is these clips where it clips into the actual door. You can hear that. And they're all pretty much the same. So here's some. I got this bag of polyfill at Hobby Lobby, and I'm gonna stuff it in between these. So you can see now there's like hardly any noise at all. So that might be one spot where the noise comes from. I also got some of this 3M spray adhesive, and I'm going to basically spray it in all these crevices where there's no no components on the door that are in there. I'm just gonna spray this adhesive down and stick this polyfill in there. I'm just gonna fill every spot that I can with this polyfill and see if that makes the ride quieter. So I just thought I'd make this quick video. If it doesn't work, then I'm probably not gonna post it. If it does work, I will post it and let you guys know. All right guys, so here's what I did on the first door panel. You can see all the places I stuffed some of this polyfill into. So yeah, what I did, I just sprayed down that adhesive wherever I wanted to place it, put it there. Then I also sprayed the top of it to kind of hold it together. And so it'd be like, you know, a little less fuzzy and have, you know, little fuzz pieces flying everywhere. So yeah, that's all dry now. I'm gonna put it on, and then I'm gonna do the other side, and we'll see if it works. If you don't know how to take your door panel off, I'm sure this should apply for 2015 to 2023. Behind your door handle, you'll have this little piece. You need to take that off. You have a 8mm, and also underneath your little window switch control, you have an 8mm right there. Then down here, you have two 7mm. Take those off. Then you can take off the door panel. There's gonna be stuff plugged into the back of it, so make sure you unplug that, and then your door panel will come off. All right, guys. So I'm done putting the polyfill in the doors. I can definitely say it really helped cut down on little creaks and rattles that I was hearing. So if you're having the same issue in your S550, I mean, it might even apply to most cars in general, but especially for the S550 Mustang, then go ahead and give this a shot, because it definitely worked. So yeah, hope this video helps you. Till next time.